Are you tired of constantly putting others before yourself and feeling drained? In this video, we will explore the 12 ways to respect yourself through the lens of Buddhist wisdom, offering practical insights and inspiration for personal growth and fulfillment. Step 1. Focus on those who value you. In the journey of self-respect, it is essential to surround ourselves with individuals who uplift and appreciate us for who we are. In the Buddhist tradition, the concept of spiritual friendship emphasizes the importance of associating with virtuous and supportive companions on the path to awakening. These spiritual friends encourage us to cultivate wholesome qualities, practice mindfulness, and navigate life's challenges with wisdom and compassion. Take a moment to reflect on the relationships in your life. Are there individuals who genuinely value and respect you? Cultivate these connections and prioritize spending time with people who uplift your spirit and affirm your worth. By surrounding yourself with those who value you, you create a nurturing environment that fosters self-respect and personal growth. Step 2. Speak concisely and effectively. Communication plays a vital role in how we perceive ourselves and how others perceive us. In the Buddhist teachings, right speech is emphasized as one of the factors of the Noble Eightfold Path, guiding practitioners to communicate with mindfulness, kindness, and honesty. Practicing mindful speech involves speaking concisely and effectively, avoiding gossip, harsh words, and divisive speech that can harm oneself and others. Take a moment to observe your speech patterns. Are your words uplifting and empowering, or do they contribute to negativity and discord? Cultivate the habit of speaking with mindfulness and compassion, choosing words that reflect your values and uplift others. By practicing right speech, you cultivate self-respect by honoring the power of your words to create positive change in the world. Step 3. Address disrespect immediately. Respecting oneself involves setting healthy boundaries and addressing disrespect when it arises. In the Buddhist teachings, the practice of loving kindness extends not only to others, but also to oneself. This means acknowledging and honoring your boundaries, whether in relationships, work environments, or social interactions. If you encounter disrespect or mistreatment from others, it is essential to address it promptly and assertively. Communicate your boundaries clearly and firmly, and take steps to protect your well-being and dignity. Remember that setting boundaries is not selfish, but a fundamental aspect of self-respect and self-care. Step 4. Present yourself in the best possible way. Self-respect begins with how we present ourselves to the world. In the Buddhist tradition, the concept of right livelihood emphasizes the importance of engaging in ethical and meaningful work that aligns with our values and contributes to the welfare of others. Take pride in your appearance and how you present yourself to others. Dress in a way that reflects your values and makes you feel confident and empowered. Cultivate mindfulness in your actions and interactions, embodying integrity, honesty, and respect in all that you do. By presenting yourself in the best possible way, you honor your worth and inspire others to do the same. Step 5. Set goals and work diligently to achieve them. Self-respect involves honoring your aspirations and striving towards your goals with diligence and perseverance. In the Buddhist teachings, the practice of right effort encourages individuals to cultivate wholesome qualities and overcome unwholesome tendencies through diligent effort and mindfulness. Take time to reflect on your aspirations and set meaningful goals that align with your values and aspirations. Break down these goals into actionable steps and commit to working towards them with determination and resilience. By pursuing your goals with diligence and perseverance, you cultivate self-respect by honoring your innate potential and capacity for growth. Step 6. Value and manage your time effectively. Respecting oneself involves valuing your time and energy and using them wisely. In the Buddhist teachings, the practice of right mindfulness encourages individuals to cultivate awareness and presence in the present moment, including how they use their time and energy. Take stock of how you spend your time and energy on a daily basis. Are you investing them in activities that nourish your well-being and contribute to your growth? Or are you engaging in habits that deplete your energy and distract you from your goals? Cultivate mindfulness in your daily activities, prioritizing activities that align with your values and contribute to your overall well-being. Step 7. Treat others with the respect they deserve. Respecting oneself involves treating others with kindness, empathy, and compassion. In the Buddhist teachings, the practice of right action emphasizes ethical conduct and the importance of refraining from harming others through our actions. Treat others with respect and kindness, recognizing the inherent worth and dignity in every individual. Practice empathy and compassion in your interactions, seeking to understand others' perspectives and experiences. By treating others with respect and kindness, you cultivate self-respect by embodying the values of compassion and integrity in your relationships. Step 8. Excel in your field of expertise. Self-respect involves recognizing and cultivating your unique talents and abilities. In the Buddhist tradition, the concept of right livelihood extends beyond ethical work to encompass the development and expression of one's skills and talents in a way that benefits oneself and others. Identify your strengths and passions and seek opportunities to develop and excel in your field of expertise. Cultivate a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. By striving for excellence in your endeavors, you honor your innate potential and capacity for growth, cultivating self-respect and fulfillment in the process. Step 9. Stand up when shaking hands. Simple gestures can speak volumes about how we perceive ourselves and how we wish to be perceived by others. In the Buddhist tradition, the practice of mindfulness extends to even the smallest of actions, including how we engage in social interactions. When shaking hands with others, stand tall with confidence and presence. Offer a firm handshake and maintain eye contact, conveying respect and confidence in yourself and the person you are greeting. By embodying presence and confidence in your interactions, you cultivate self-respect and inspire others to treat you with dignity and respect. Step 10. Be thoughtful in your communication. Self-respect involves communicating with mindfulness, kindness, and clarity. In the Buddhist teachings, the practice of right speech encourages individuals to speak with wisdom and compassion, avoiding speech that harms oneself and others. Before speaking, take a moment to pause and reflect on your words. Choose words that are thoughtful, kind, and truthful, reflecting your values and intentions. Practice active listening, seeking to understand others' perspectives and experiences with empathy and compassion. By communicating with mindfulness and compassion, you cultivate self-respect and foster positive and meaningful connections with others. Step 11. Respect boundaries and avoid uninvited spaces. Respecting oneself involves honoring your boundaries and those of others. In the Buddhist teachings, the practice of mindfulness extends to how we navigate our physical and social environments, respecting personal space and boundaries. Be mindful of personal boundaries in your interactions with others, respecting their physical and emotional space. Avoid intruding into uninvited spaces or engaging in behavior that makes others feel uncomfortable or disrespected. By respecting boundaries, you cultivate self-respect and create a safe and respectful environment for yourself and others. Step 12. Focus on personal growth and living intentionally. Self-respect involves embracing personal growth and living with intention and purpose. In the Buddhist tradition, the practice of mindfulness encourages individuals to cultivate awareness and presence in every moment, living with intention and purpose. Take time to reflect on your values, aspirations, and goals, and commit to living in alignment with them. Cultivate mindfulness in your daily activities, savoring each moment and approaching life with curiosity and openness. By focusing on personal growth and living intentionally, You honor your worth and potential as an individual, cultivating self-respect and fulfillment in every aspect of your life. Cultivating self-respect is a transformative journey that requires mindfulness, compassion, and a commitment to personal growth. By embracing the 12 ways to respect yourself through the lens of Buddhist teachings, we empower ourselves to honor our worth, cultivate meaningful connections with others, and live authentically with purpose and intention. May these teachings serve as a guiding light on your journey towards greater self-respect, fulfillment, and well-being.